Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix EAFC drop-in matches not working. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So while we don't know yet exactly why the EAFC24 drop-in error occurs, we do have some methods to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem. So it is worth noting that these aren't guaranteed to work, so you'll want to contact EA support if the drop-in not working bug continues, and they're also likely working on a permanent fix for the bug, so just keep an eye on any patches or keep an eye on any patches for the game. So let's get on with the solution. So first, what you can do is to restart the game. So a method that seems to work sometimes on every available platform is simply restarting the game. So once you get to the screen where the bottom right says match found, but it doesn't load up the actual match, just try restart the game. So after logging back in or after loading back in, the main Pro Clubs page should have an option that says play drop-in match. So just select this and you should now be able to play a match with your friends. And then next, what you can do is to restart your internet. So another simple but effective fix is to restart your internet. So when error occurs, just pull out the Ethernet plug or turn off the Wi-Fi directly at the router and leave it for like 30 seconds at least and turn it all back on. And once everything reconnects, the Pro Clouds match should load correctly and let you begin playing. And then if the error still persists, what you can do next is to try and disable crossplay. So a weird fix that seems to work for some players is disabling the crossplay feature. Obviously, if you want to play with friends on different platforms, it won't be ideal. But if you aren't, it should be an easy way to sort out the issue. So to do that, go to your main menu, and from the main menu, select settings, and then click on to the online settings and navigate to the matchmaking options and just disable the crossplay option. And now just load the Pro Clubs back app and try to drop into a match and it should work. So that's it for this video, and I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.